If your homemade pizza keeps coming out pale, uneven, or just nowhere close to that crispy restaurant-style crust, it's usually not your dough that's the problem. It's the heat transfer. Most home ovens simply don't hit the dough fast enough to create that proper bottom crust before the toppings overcook. The Primica Pizza Steel XL is designed to fix exactly that by using one thing most kitchens underestimate: raw steel heat conductivity. So this is the Primica Pizza Steel XL, a 16 by 13.4 inch carbon steel baking surface built for home cooks who want to seriously upgrade their pizza game without investing in a full outdoor pizza oven. It's aimed at pizza lovers, home bakers, grill enthusiasts, and anyone who's tried pizza stones before but felt like something was still missing in the final result. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it doesn't look like a complicated kitchen gadget. It just feels like a solid, heavy slab of steel, and that's kind of the point. There's no coating to baby, no fragile ceramic surface that might crack if you accidentally drop it, and no overly delicate handling required. The simplicity actually works in its favor because it immediately feels like something built to last a long time. The real difference comes from the material itself. Carbon steel conducts heat dramatically better than ceramic stones, and that changes how your food cooks from the moment it hits the surface. Instead of slowly absorbing heat, the steel transfers it aggressively and evenly into the dough, which is what creates that rapid rise and crisp base people usually associate with professional pizza ovens. It's the same principle used in high-end cooking surfaces, just adapted for a home oven. In real cooking, the results show up quickly. Once fully preheated, pizza cooks faster and more evenly than on traditional baking stones. The crust develops a noticeable crispness on the bottom while still staying airy inside, and you start getting those darker, slightly blistered spots that are usually hard to achieve at home. Even frozen pizzas benefit from it, gaining a texture upgrade that feels closer to fresh-baked than store-bought. What also stands out is how versatile it is beyond pizza. Bread bakes with a more structured crust, flatbreads cook more evenly, and even reheating leftovers feels different because the steel revives texture instead of making things soggy. It's one of those tools that quietly improves multiple things in your kitchen once you start using it regularly. Now, there is a bit of a learning curve. Because steel heats so efficiently, timing becomes more important. If you're used to slower baking surfaces, you might need a few tries to adjust your cook times. But once you understand how quickly it works, it actually becomes easier to control than traditional pizza stones. Cleanup is fairly straightforward since there's no coating to worry about. It behaves a bit like cast iron in the sense that you just scrape it down and keep it dry. It's not a delicate maintenance routine, but more of a simple habit that becomes second nature after a few uses. The biggest thing to remember is that it gets extremely hot, so handling it safely is important every time. Compared to ceramic pizza stones in the same category, the Primica Pizza Steel XL stands out because of its heat speed and durability. Stones tend to heat more slowly and can crack under thermal stress, while steel is virtually indestructible in normal home use. Compared to premium countertop pizza ovens, it obviously doesn't have standalone functionality, but it delivers a surprisingly close crust quality at a much lower cost and with more flexibility. Overall, the Primica Pizza Steel XL feels like one of those upgrades that quietly change how you think about home cooking. It doesn't add complexity, it just improves results in a very direct and noticeable way. If you've been chasing better pizza crust or more consistent baking results, this is one of the most effective tools you can add to your kitchen. If you're serious about upgrading your homemade pizza without going full pizza oven, this is definitely worth checking out. The link is down in the description for pricing and details. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.